Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inyoma and I mostly do reviews on this YouTube channel. So if you'd like to see more videos like that, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you to everybody else who has subscribed. Really appreciate you guys. Today this video is going to be added to my Locs playlist and I'm just going to show you how I got this hairstyle. I have a photo shoot coming up tomorrow, just a nice picnic day with the girls. I decided to just put my hair up after washing it and I wanted curls. This is gonna give me curls, but now I like the way it looks, so I think I'm just gonna leave it this way for the photo shoot because it's really nice and short. I haven't seen my hair this short in so long. It's nice to see. So my hair is actually booty length. It's quite long and I'm able to get it this short using lock nuts. And obviously I'm not the first person to do lock knots in hair. I saw it on YouTube years ago and the last time I did it, my hair was actually almost this short. It was super short, but it's a really nice hairstyle and I like it and I think it's cute. And I would like to show it to people who have very long hair like mine and are interested in making it less long, especially for the summer. It's freaking hot. Quick disclaimer, my nails look janky AF because I have been cleaning and scrubbing and moving things around the house and washing my hair too. My nails were like, yeah, we're gonna clock out, sis, and they did. So you're gonna see janky nails. I don't have time to do them right now. But yeah, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I've already done the back, so I just have this part left. And for anyone who has questions about locks or getting locks or how to maintain them, I have a video that I will link here. I think it's up here. Anyway, it's gonna be linked for you all about locks. And if you're interested in starting them, what I usually do and what might have changed will just be in the subsequent videos that show you the shampoos and or conditioners that I've tried that are for locks. So let's go ahead and get this video started. I had no zits yesterday. I decided to shoot a video today and zits appears. So frustrating. If you don't have this spray bottle, you need it. It's so good. I wish it came in glass, honestly, because I'm trying to use less plastic, but I will just reuse it when it's done. So first thing you want to do is spray the lock like so. You want it moist, not necessarily soaking wet, just moist. That word is weird. Maybe keep a towel nearby because you will get yourself wet. And then we're gonna fold it like this. See that? And depending on if you want the locks to start up here, you can go all the way here and wrap it around. But I want the locks to start right about there, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna start wrapping, just like that. Like so, like that, as Auntie Todd would say. And this one, I went a little bit high, so I'm just gonna go a little bit lower. And maybe it needs to be just a tad moister. Is moisture a word? Well, we're about to make it one. Is that low enough? Yeah, this one is in front, so I really don't need it to be all the way curled at the root. And the thicker the lock is, like this is a pretty thick lock, the harder it might be to get the hair all the way around. But at the end, you can use rubber bands if you like, but I just lock it, put it inside itself like that. Man, my nails look bad. I'm sorry, guys. And there we go. And then if I want it to be just a little bit more tucked, just tuck it in one more time. But it should work without rubber bands, but of course you can always use rubber bands or hair bands or hair ties if it makes you feel more comfortable. And there you go. There's your lock knot. And because the hair is moist, it's going to hold the shape. You can also use a hair dryer to dry it, or you can let it dry naturally. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. Maybe I'll show you guys one more time so you can see what it looks like, how to get it done. And then after that, I will do the rest of my hair and then just show you guys the finished product. Spray. You can also add essential oils to your spray water mix so that it smells good. This one smells like jasmine and eucalyptus. It smells really nice. Okay, that's about low enough. Once again, I formed a loop and I'm just gonna wrap it around. I'm wrapping the hair around itself. Close up. Yeah, this thicker ones are harder to get the loop all the way around, but we will make it work. See? Just like that. And there's another one done. I like how it bounces. Yes. Okay, so I will finish the rest and show you the finished result. Last one. This is taking forever. Every single time I think I don't have a ton of hair, I just try and do something to my hair and I'm just like, oh wow, yes. Number one, you have a big head. Number two, you have a lot of hair. Okay, almost done. Okay guys, so sorry about the noise, but this is what the finished product looks like. I just did a photo shoot, so I think it looks really good. I'm looking at myself, I should look at the camera. It looks really good, right? This is what it looks like in the sun. It's so pretty. Look at this place. It's absolutely gorgeous, but really pretty. Go ahead and try this style maybe in the summer because it'll help keep the hair from being all down your back and bothering you. I love the hairstyle. I love lock knots. Thank you for whoever came up with it. You guys are awesome. And it's just a wonderful hairstyle for those of us with, even with shorter locks you can do this, but with long locks it's really great and I love it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I'm not in the shadows. I'll catch you in my next video.